Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Prince.
Sir, today my topic is what is pros and cons
What are pros
cons
and
and
cons
cons
of
democracy,
Indian democracy?
Indian democracy.
Actually, see, India is always ruled by democratic form of government. By democracy, we mean the form of government of the people, for the people, and by the people. जो लोगों के द्वारा चुना हुआ सरकार, लोगों के लिए बनाया हुआ सरकार और लोगों के ही रिप्रेजेंटेशन से बना हुआ सरकार को डेमोक्रेसी कहते हैं।
Main
अब
point of
देखिए,
democracy.
the main form of democracy, the main point of democracy that democracy is defined as a form of government for the government,
By the government.
for the people, by the people, and of the people.
Of the people.
Democracy is a form of government which is of the people, for the people, and by the people. That means when we are electing our representative, we are indirectly ruling the government. But the problem, the pros means good things. What are the good things? There are several good things in democracy. Number one is that every democratic form of government is having equality of right. जैसे आपको भी उतना ही अधिकार है पढ़ने और आगे बढ़ने का जितना एक छोटा गरीब घर का बच्चा.
Yes, sir.
That means there is an equality of right, equality of opportunity in democracy, and the most important feature of democracy is that there is a freedom of speech. You can express yourself in democracy, whereas in the presidential form of government or any other form of government, autocratic or kingly government, you can't raise your voice, you can't speak freely. But in
yes, sir.
democracy, you can express your feelings, you can talk freely, you can give your points of view, you can express your desire, satisfaction, dissatisfaction. And the most important thing that democratic government is always elected by the people through general election.
Election.
There are two types of election. One is parliamentary form of election, another one is a state election. State elections
Rajya Sabha.
No, state election elect the Vidhan Sabha. That means the member of legislative assembly.
MLA.
And here MLA, and the Lok Sabha is known as the house of the representative of MP, member of parliament. So that is elected by general election, which is held on India basis total. And the most important thing that in democracy is that we always have freedom of speech, equality of right, equality of opportunity, equality of all that. And there is a secular form of government in Indian democracy. Every religion has equal respect, everybody has equal respect. You have freedom to take part in democratic processes, you can be part of the government, there will be no restriction. But there are certain demerits. Ask what is that? What is demerit? What is happening actually? People always talk about their rights, they don't talk about their duties. This is the greatest demerit of democracy. They always think that this is my right, ye mera adhikar hai, but they don't see the second aspect of the second face of the coin, that is their duty. If you have the right, then you must see the duty also. If you are not fulfilling the duty as a citizen, will you be able to take right? No. You have no right to demand anything unless and until you fulfill your duty. But in democracy, people take advantage of this democratic. The Indian Constitution has given lot of freedoms, and the judiciary also given lot of freedom. There is a flexibility, in Indian democracy, there is a flexibility of laws, flexibility of desire, flexibility of governance. But there is one thing that is very good in democracy, that the governing is very, very, transparent. You can understand how the things are.
Sir, I ask one question.
Yes, ask any question.
Sir, but in many other countries like South Korea, North Korea,
even in America,
North Korea,
presidential form of government.
North Korea, but
yes.
but this country, the
they have no democracy.
peoples are not elected by the PM.
No, they elect their president. They don't elect. There is no. The head of the government is not prime minister. There, the head of government is president.
President, yes, sir.
But actually, in our country, the president is not the head of the government. He is the head of the armed forces.
But as compared to our country, this country are developed.
No. See, the development doesn't have anything to do with form of government. You
Why?
see, China is having communism, but it is one of the developed countries in the world. See, government ruling doesn't affect the development of. In India also, we are fifth largest
Fifth
economy
largest
in the world.
economic country.
It is not like that. Democratic countries are also good.
Yes, sir.
Since independence, we are following the democratic form of government. उसके पहले भले राजतंत्र था, लेकिन आज तो डेमोक्रेसी है. एंड डेमोक्रेसी में सबसे बड़ी बात है कि सभी को इक्वल राइट है. एवरीबडी हैज इक्वल राइट टू प्रॉस्पर एंड डू एंड कंट्रीब्यूट टू द government and to the people. The society can prosper with equal opportunity and with equal attention. So democratic form of government is far better than any other form of government. Even the presidential form of government is not as good as the democratic form of government. Any other question?
हाँ सर, बोले सर डेमोक्रेसी है बट सम केसेस में मतलब उसे मतलब न्याय
हाँ
देर से
देखिए
मिलता है.
बता रहे हैं जस्टिस इज डिलेड
हाँ,
यू आर
justice-
आस्किंग
yes, sir.
बट दैट इज नॉट द फॉल्ट ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. एक्चुअली दिस इज द फॉल्ट ऑफ जुडिशरी. जो न्यायपालिका है उसको ज्यादा फास्ट करना है, फास्ट ट्रैक करना है, उसको उसमें चेंजेस लाने की जरूरत
Yes,
है.
sir.
The democratic form of government is not responsible for delay in justice. Delay in justice is only because of the rules that Britishers have given in judiciary. उसको चेंज करने की जरूरत है. Now we have to go for fast track courts.
Sir,
fast track courts.
Sir, in India, so many states are not follow the democracy rules.
They
Like
follow. Everybody has to follow democratic form of government. All the states have to follow. केवल ऐसा कहीं ऐसा नहीं है. अब ये मत कह दीजिए कि बंगाल में ममता बनर्जी, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. डेमोक्रेटिक फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट सबको फॉलो करना है. एवरी स्टेट हैज टू फॉलो डेमोक्रेटिक फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट. कहीं कहीं पर क्योस है, वो होता है समटाइम्स.
Yes, sir.
If the center is having some government, if the state is having some different government, there are classes. स्टेट और सेंटर के बीच में क्लासेस होता है. इट इज पार्ट ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. लेकिन इसका मतलब ये थोड़ा है कि खराब है.
सर क्या बोलते हैं डिफरेंस बिटवीन लोकतंत्र एंड राजतंत्र दोनों के
देखिए,
बीच में.
राजतंत्र तो अभी तो पहले आप सोच लीजिए कि
हाँ.
इंडिपेंडेंस के पहले हम लोग राजा महाराजा ही रूल करते थे. ब्रिटिशर 200 साल रूल किया.
सर,
वो
one-
राजतंत्र था. देखिए
हाँ.
ब्रिटिशर्स क्या किया था,
राजा.
अपना एक एक ठो राजा
Elect करते गए.
elect कर दिया था.
हाँ.
तो उसमें आपके पास कोई ये नहीं था.
हाँ सर,
फ्रीडम नहीं था.
सर वन एग्जांपल ऑफ राजतंत्र कंट्री 4%.
अभी है
4% है.
आपको बताए प्रेजेंट में आपको
इंग्लैंड.
बर्मा में है. नहीं, इंग्लैंड में तो क्वीन है.
क्वीन है.
और इंग्लैंड में भी है.
Yes, sir.
लेकिन इंग्लैंड में भी डेमोक्रेसी है.
डेमोक्रेसी.
वो इनडायरेक्ट डेमोक्रेसी है.
Oh.
और बर्मा में है और एक दूसरी कंट्री है जहां पर ये अभी राजतंत्र.
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू.